no video today?
Yeah, I'm doing it right now. Yeah, power's going in on the black. But nothing is going to the start. That's the blue. White is your neutral. I'm gonna pull that off and check it, but we don't have any power there.
Sure it's a compressor at this point, huh?
Well, no, not yet.
Oh, okay.
And nothing going to the fan. So all these are powered up here. So we're gonna open this and see if we're getting power. We should be getting power going down here. So we're gonna do a quick unplug and plug. You did, actually no, you did do that already.
I unplugged the machine,
Yeah.
the fridge,
Okay.
from the plug behind you.
Sure. Yeah. Okay, so let's
And I left it unplugged for like 20 minutes maybe.
Okay. Yeah, so let's check the board area, which is up top. All right, so we're gonna check for voltage as we turn on the relay, which is this guy. Yeah, I think he's the relay or the compressor. So we might be able to see that. We have power.
It just kicked on.
Compressor just kicked on. Yeah. Fan's running. Turned off again. Just lost power. So we got an issue with this relay. So sometimes you can keep a magnet on there, let's say to hang you over. But now, because we just started it, you don't want to turn it back on already. It's going to be clicking. So we definitely have a problem with that board.
Is that something you carry with you or something you got to order?
Sometimes I do, but I think I have for side by side. I don't think. What I might be able to do is unsolder this relay, because the relay is the issue. And if I have another board, I might just take the relay out of this board, out of that board, and we'll swap this one out, and you'll be good to go. So let me see what I have.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, guys. So pretty much you pretty much see what we came to conclusion, that the relay on that board was bad. So we're going to be desoldering a relay to put onto the new board. Now, that's my Hakko desoldering gun, and it was acting a little slow. I think the reason, though, my tip. So on the soldering guns, you have different size tips. If you don't have the right size tip for certain solder, then it makes it a little bit more difficult to suck the solder in. So you want to make sure you get the right tip. So I could not find my small tip, but I got it done. And I had a donor board. So a donor board is basically a board that we use for parts. It was a new board at the time. It got damaged, but the relays are still good. In fact, the relay I took off the first board, it turned out it was an 8 amp, and you need a 16 amp for the compressor. So luckily I had one with me, brand new. So I was able to resolder it onto the board, and it was good to go. So just pay attention. Now that relay, if you're in a situation to where your relay is not turning on, yes, you can use a small magnet or a strong enough magnet that will activate that relay. It will turn on. Now, you will have to disconnect power from the relay, maybe 8 hours, because what will happen is when the unit goes into defrost, the compressor will stay running, and that's not good. So you will have to interrupt the circuit by taking the magnet off and then put it back on after about 8 hours. Now, you sometimes can use a screwdriver handle, and tap the relay. Just a couple taps. And sometimes that will get the relay going, and you might be okay. So instead of having to replace the board or the relay, you can just do a couple taps. You're good to go. No big deal. So right now we're putting the repaired board back in, and we're getting ready to crank up or turn power on, and pretty soon you'll hear the unit come to life. So pretty much stay tuned, enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching, and I will have some other videos over in Patreon, a little more detailed videos. This was kind of fast, but I figure you guys will understand what's going on. All right, thanks for watching.